Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. Also thank you for all of my new subscribers. I know it's not much, but I did hit 200 the other day, which for me is a lot. So I just wanted to thank you all for subscribing and for watching my videos. So today we are going to be doing a 5-minute get ready with me. I'm going to talk through the products beforehand so I don't have to talk as much when I'm doing it, because I really do want to do this in 5 minutes and show you what I do on a pretty much daily basis, because I don't have a ton of time, and what you can do to get yourself totally pulled together and out the door in no time. So let's go ahead and start. I just wanted to start out by saying I have already prepped my skin, which for me is different in the summer and winter, but in the summer that just includes I wake up, I brush my teeth, I splash water on my face, I don't wash it, like I don't use a cleanser. That is key because I have drier skin and I don't need to dry it out even more. And I think that goes for oily skin as well, but you know, you probably have an idea for what you want to do and what works for you, so do that. So after I've done that, what I do is I use a little bit of the Ordinary Caffeine Under Eye Serum, and I have been using that or the Origins Ginseng one, and I'm actually going to probably do a little review on under eye creams with caffeine in it, because I think it's a really good, interesting thing, and I have some thoughts on that, so be on the lookout for that. Okay, so while I'm brushing my teeth and everything, I have the under eye cream on, and that just starts kind of working. And then after I brush my teeth, I put on sunscreen. So I know if you've watched any of my other videos, I actually use like tinted sunscreens for my foundation, but I also put on sunscreen before I do anything. And the reason I do that is because I'm not always as confident that the SPF in a tinted sunscreen, or if I'm mixing them, is going to be the same potency. So I just cover my bases. I use sunscreen as a base kind of moisturizer in the morning, and then I put everything else on. So there you have it. And I use the EltaMD, whatever, SPF 47 I think it is, but I'll link it below. Yeah, so as I said in the title, I'm going to be doing this as a no foundation get ready. That's pretty much what I do on a daily basis. I use tinted sunscreens, I use some concealer, but no foundation. So let's get started, and again, thank you for being here. Okay, so the rundown of what products I'm going to be using. This is a new product to me. This is the Sunbum, wow, that's way too hard to say, Mineral Tinted Sunscreen Face Lotion. So it is 30 SPF, and it is, like I just said, mineral. Now the amount of active ingredients, which is an important thing to note, are titanium dioxide 5.3% and then zinc oxide 2.4. So if you read numbers like you need 20% of each of these active ingredients, it's not always the case, but obviously, like, maybe it's not obvious, but higher numbers are better. But again, I put on a sunscreen before I do any of this, so I cover my bases just out the gate, and then this is added. Okay, sorry. I could go on about sunscreen all day, which I will in another video, but let's get to the point. So I'm going to be doing this, and I'm going to be mixing in a little bit of the Drunk Elephant D-Bronzi tint. And for all those people that say don't mix in things, this is not a sunscreen, this is a sunscreen, but I've already put a sunscreen base on, so I am confident that I'm going to be covered. Okay, then I'm going to be going in with just a little bit of powder. I love the Mineral Veil from BareMinerals, as just like, you don't want to look like you have an oil slick on your face. That is perfect, and it's just mineral based, which is lovely. And then it'll be kind of a game time decision, but I'm definitely going to be going in with the MAC Groundwork, and that is going to just be to cover my eyes. And I think that putting on a little bit of eyeshadow base, super simply, super quickly, it gives you a really put together look without just a lot of work, basically. And then the other thing that if you watch my other video, which I will link above, which was kind of like an everyday get ready with me in the summer, I am obsessed with my Milani Luminoso Baked Blush, which should come as no surprise. But it kind of depends on how I'm feeling, if I want to just kind of go with a bronzy look or if I want a little bit of blush. And I use this as eyeshadow, I use it as blush, so we'll see. I have it out, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. And then the last two things that I have out, oh, I forgot. I have my Glossier Stretch Concealer in G9, that's the shade, and I kind of I don't think I have a ton of redness today, so I might not be using it, but maybe I'll show you just so you know what you can do. And then the last two things, these I'm definitely going to be going in with mascara, and I've actually been liking the Blinc mascara, which I said I didn't love, but it gives me like a wispy look, and it's not super chunky, so I've been liking that. And then I'm not sure if I'm going to be using it, but this is just a brown, what's it called, eyeliner, and we'll see how I feel. You don't need that. I think probably not with my eyeshadow, but those are the products, and now I'm going to start the timer. I'm probably going to start sweating, and we're going to put it on my face. Okay, guys, are you ready? I'm not sure I am. Okay, we're going. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this on the back of my hand, and that is because I am going to be going in with a brush today. So I find that when you are short on time, it just gives you a little bit of an easier cleanup than having to like go wash your hands afterward. I guess I should have my mirror ready. This is the IT Cosmetics foundation brush, and just gonna buff it into the skin. I'm going to do a little bit more, just a little bit of the Sun Bum, that's so hard to say, and a little bit more of the D-Bronzi. So the D-Bronzi just gives you the most, like, I don't know what it is, the glow to it. It's like, I mean, it's kind of like a bronzer, I guess. But I really am enjoying it. And I just go ahead and cover my eyes, I cover everything. And I like that if you have any mineral sunscreen, because you can kind of cancel out any whiteness that you may have. And it is Drunk Elephant, so you're not going to be putting like crazy stuff on your face. Okay, let's zoom in a little. There we go. Okay, next up is the BareMinerals Mineral Veil. And I just swirl it on there, that way I get any excess off. This is super imprecise, doesn't matter, I just need a little bit of it. And then where I'm going to spend a little bit more time is on the Paintpot. And I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow brush and just go all over my eye. And this, what I love about this MAC Paintpot with the shade Groundwork is that there's no glitter, which is kind of hard to find, I think, in a cream kind of eyeshadow. A lot of them have glitter or like shimmer, so this is nice because it does not. And you see already, it's just like, gives you dimension, it gives you like you've done something, which you have. I don't always go underneath, but today we're going to. I don't even want to look at the timer, should I? Okay, I think I'm going to go in just with a little bit of concealer because my under eyes are a little dark, and I just go in with a sponge. Sometimes you can go in with a brush too. Just get those dark circles. Okay. Oh man, only a minute left. Okay, we're just gonna go in with the mascara, no time for anything else. I should have chosen a different mascara, honestly, because this one does take a little bit, I would say more coats than maybe like the Thrive one, but here we are. Anybody else hold the mirror so close to them when they're doing their mascara? Like, I cannot do it without being a millimeter away. Okay, and lastly, I forgot to mention, I'm just going to go in with a little Glossier Boy Brow and zhuzh up my eyebrows. We're probably about to run out of time. Okay, I am full on sweating, but we are done. So that is the look. Let me zoom you out so you can kind of see it in better angle. Okay, so we have a nice little glow. We've got some definition to the eyes, but we are, I mean, I feel put together, and I definitely feel like I covered anything that I don't want seen if I had any darkness under my eyes. But yeah, this is the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will be back with some more exciting videos. But let me know if you have anything that you are looking for or want reviewed, and hopefully I can try that out for you. So see you guys in my next video. Bye!